This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by John Decker. Perfectly positioned on top of the rolling hills of the gated Gaslight District and adjacent to the historic Cavalier Hotel. This exquisite home has been designed and developed west/only the highest quality of finishes, features and craftsmanship. Relish the broad views of the Atlantic Ocean, beachfront and vibrant surrounding community from gorgeous wraparound porches. Top-notch appointments west/heated tiled floors, impeccable wood floors, 9 and 12 feet ceilings, 3-stop elevator, whole house generator, 980 plus bottle wine cellar, Marvin windows/doors and metal accent roofing. Luxe kitchen and open living room west/marble tops, Subzero fridges, Wolf oven, Bosch dishwasher and deluxe gas logs. Professionally landscaped and spacious 2-car garage west/paver parking pad. Live the resort lifestyle each day and enjoy an endless list of amenities offered from the Cavalier Hotels, the Cavalier Beach Club, Sea Hill Spa and many exceptional restaurants. Call today to arrange your private tour of this truly remarkable home. For more information,